DNX Group has secured a $10 million strategic loan facility to activate and accelerate our strategic robotics rebuild initiative, Project Phoenix 5000. This initiative officially starts on 18 February 2026 and is designed to fast-track restructuring while offering participants the opportunity to earn 3.5% weekly with a minimum entry of $500. The full amount has been deployed toward the acquisition of 100 high-capacity industrial robots from WTDF.com. These robots have already been delivered and deployed to Alliance Incorporated plc and 3 additional industrial partners, whose identities remain confidential under the terms of our rental agreements. Yes, each robot generates approximately $199 per hour and operates 22 hours per day, Monday through Friday. This level of productivity provides strong revenue consistency and operational leverage. Revenue is structured with transparency and discipline. 30% is allocated monthly to service and repay the $10 million loan over 10 months. 40% is distributed to investing partners. 22% is reinvested into purchasing additional robots to expand operations. 8% is directed towards supporting partners affected during the contract closure between Dyers Holdings and DNX Group. This allocation ensures growth, responsibility, sustainability, and balance. This model provides both speed and sustainability. It allows DNX to rebuild toward 5,000 fully owned robots within 24 months, complete obligations to partners affected by the Dyers contract termination within 18 months instead of the previously estimated 24 months, purchase additional robots monthly, creating continuous expansion rather than a one-time deployment. Our transition toward full ownership has been progressive and strategic. While more capital-intensive than partnership models, full ownership provides greater control and long-term stability. The robotic rental industry continues to expand rapidly, and DNX remains positioned at the forefront with strong client demand. Our current fleet of 220 robots continues to sustain and maintain our ecosystem. Yes, performance has shown measurable improvement. Compounding ROI previously increased by 400% and is projected to increase by an additional 250% within the next 3 months. Flexible plans are projected to increase by up to 400% within the next 3 to 6 months. We anticipate steady monthly improvements as production capacity expands. DNX now operates under a full ownership model. DNX controls the asset, DNX controls the revenue, DNX controls the future. There is no longer a sharing formula or external production dependency. The model is built on complete operational control. All platform fees are canceled for the next 36 months. This allows partners to grow and recover without additional financial burden during the rebuilding phase. No, the loan has been used strictly for asset acquisition and revenue generation. It is neither sustainable nor responsible to take a loan simply to pay out people. This financing is directly tied to productive infrastructure expansion and long-term operational stability. No. At this time, funds held in the vault cannot be moved into the Project Phoenix 5000, P5000 plan. The reason is straightforward. The funds currently affected in the vault were directly affected when Dyers withdrew their robots from our operational structure. Under normal market conditions, the impact of the withdrawal would have reduced those balances to zero. However, DNX has deliberately structured a recovery framework to prevent partners from realizing that loss. The vault exists to preserve and protect those balances while we rebuild and stabilize operations. For this reason, vault funds must remain secured under the restructuring process and cannot be deployed into new plans such as P5000. Our objective is to make it impossible for partners to lose their affected capital while we rebuild sustainability and responsibility. Project Phoenix 5000 is not simply recovery, it is strategic repositioning. We are rebuilding stronger, we are scaling faster, we are operating smarter, and we're doing it with ownership, discipline, and vision. Thank you for standing with us as we build the next phase of DNX Group. DNX Group Management.